We need to talk.
Yes, we do.
I am so glad we chose this place.
Me too. It is perfect. You can't catch me. Oh, yes.
I could get used to this.
Me too, my love. Are you chatting on me?
What are you?
Why do you dare doing this to me? Please listen. I can explain. How could you do this to me? I cannot believe we are
Doing this again! But you never listen to me. But you always do this to me.
How can you say that?
We need to talk about this later.
No, we need to talk about it now. I know you are upset, but I am here for you. I am just so tired.
Finding peace within ourselves.
Forgiveness means letting go of anger and finding peace within ourselves. For inner peace and for genuine harmony in our shared journey.
I feel so much lighter, my dear.
Me too, my love. It's a wonderful feeling. I'm so sorry, my love.
I forgive you.
This challenge we face, it's unlike any other.
I understand the gravity, and I'm with you.
This must be handled with the utmost discretion.